that GE window air conditioner at my grandparents' house. It's the blower reel on there. It's off right now. I'm going to start it up. This has a cleaning compressor. Just the part out there. So yeah, here we go.
You did good. We're all sweaty one day.
Seriously, 90 degrees up here, so wow. Jeez. It's getting cold. They don't really need it on right now because they don't go up here. My grandma can't go up here right now because she's in a wheelchair, so they don't need it on because they never go up here. But they will need it in the future because she's only in a wheelchair temporarily. The compressor is very quiet once it's running. You can only hear it on the startup. Blower reel. It's 89. Alright. 88. I enjoyed the video. Startup of a brand new 2019 6000 BTU GE window unit. So, yeah, bye.